Oh, what a costly mistake this can be. Imagine walking into a bookstore, blindfolded, and picking a book at random. Now, imagine that book will define your financial future. Scary, isn't it? That's what investing without research is like. You see, every investment is a story about a company, an industry, a trend. And as any good reader knows, you need to understand the story before you can appreciate the book. This means diving deep into the company's financials, understanding its competitive landscape, knowing its management team. But it's not just about the company, it's also about the broader economic and geopolitical context. What are the trends that could affect the industry? What are the risks that could derail the company's growth? Remember, investing is not a game of luck. It's a game of knowledge. So, never neglect doing your own research before investing.